In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to test your application on different screen sizes. In this example, I'm going to be using Microsoft Edge, but this is similar across all browsers. To start, you want to see the area you want to test. So I want to test this table report. You then need to right-click the screen and click Inspect here at the bottom. Once clicked, a menu will pop out. This may not be at the bottom for you. This may be on the right or on the left or in a different docking menu. But for my example, I've previously selected this to be at the bottom. Once here, you need to look for this icon here, which is a mobile phone and a desktop next to each other. And you just need to click it, and it will toggle an emulation mode. What this does is it will allow you to change the size of the screen depending on what different responses you want. So at the top here, you can see an option to choose which different device you want to test on. So say users are going to be using this application on their phone. I'm going to select the iPhone 12 Pro. And now I can see what the application looks like on a phone. And you can move around, you can test. For example, I can see here, this left sticky column here may be a bit too wide, as it makes it quite hard to scroll through on the right here. I may also want to test on an iPad. So this is an iPad mini. You can also change by using these little bars at the top here. So these are more generic. So this is how it looks in 4K, laptop large, tablet, mobile large, mobile medium, and then mobile small. Now, this is for a table report, and a table report, you can actually decide how responsive you want it to be. So I'm going to tap on the right here, and you can see I've also got my App Studio open. And this is the table report in App Studio. And if I scroll down, open up report fields, open up a field, you can see I've selected here the minimum and maximum pixels. So these columns here will change to be the minimum, the smaller the screen gets, or the wider the screen gets, it will go towards the maximum. And the lastly is the priority of the field you want to change. For records, this is a little bit different. So if I open up a record here, you can see that it's got a 2-column template here. And now if I close this, you can see it now stretches out to a 3-column template. And all it will do is the smaller the screen gets, it will move the fields onto the rows beneath it. So it all fits on the screen. I hope this video has been helpful. When you're testing these sort of things, I always advise actually using the device itself, as this gives you a great visual and a great way to test it, but nothing beats actually having it in your hands. And also in the scenario, so for example, say you're doing an audit on a factory floor, maybe test the application out on your phone while you're walking through the factory floor. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope it's been helpful. Goodbye.